Ano raw ang golden parachute?
Ano nga ba yun?
Okay, so may mga nagtatanong, okay, ang golden parachute ay unang-una ay isang coverage or contract
Mhm.
for your future.
Okay.
And this is for a lifetime.
Okay.
Ang nagbibigay nito ay financial institutions.
Mhm.
Anong kasama dito?
Kasama dyan.
Kasama dito yung investment,
Mhm.
kasama dito yung passive income,
Okay.
kasama dito yung medical coverages, kasama dito yung emergencies, or accident
Accident,
and
yes.
disabilities.
Mhm.
Ibig sabihin, if something happens to the breadwinner or to the young professional,
Mhm.
they are secured enough that they will have a better future kahit ma-disrupt yung kanilang capability to earn.
Okay.
Okay?
So, ibig sabihin tuloy-tuloy lang ang buhay. No?
Yes.
Lahat ng mga plans is
Exactly.
magagawa pa rin. Diba?
Oo. There's enough funds, there's enough money so that they can do and continue with life, with a
Yes.
productive life.
Especially for the family.